Yeah, welcome to the session, guys. And in this session, we are going to learn about something known as regular expression. So, basically, what is regular expression? Regular expression, in general terms, is also known as regex in Python. And basically, this regular expression or regex is used to extract extract a few of the text or the numericals from a bunch of textual data we have. Okay, and below we have this RE, that is regular expression library. So first, in order to use this regular expression, we need to import RE, right? We need to import RE. So let's import RE. And then here is a small example. Here we are going to validate email address. And in this line, we can see we have a we have a function over here. And the function is validate underscore email, right? And in regular expression, one thing is we have lot of symbols. We have lot of symbols and patterns using which we retrieve the particular text or the numerical that we want to extract. And few of the regex patterns are listed here, right? You can see this at the rate a to z, a to z plus, and hash this dollar symbol end of the string. So every you can see here every uh, symbol has its own meaning and own usage. Okay, so this is a pattern you can see here. Pattern equals to read this particular pattern that is written over here. So what are we doing here? Using re.match, right? Using re.match to check if the pattern matches the entire string. Okay, you have this particular pattern already present. So what are we doing? We are trying to use re.match to check if the pattern matches the entire string. So you can see here we have written if re.match pattern comma email print valid email or else print invalid email. Okay, and for testing purpose we also have valid underscore email, and email example is given. For example, shivani123 at the rate gmail.com. And another case is also given here, that is invalid underscore email the rate com at the rate com. So this way we can just see how the um, the code is written basically. The code is written basically to get the to fetch the textual or the numbers you see. Now in the first example we have seen how to validate an email address. Now in the second example we have extract all the numbers. We are giving a pattern here, right? I have told you every kind. So you can see we have first defined the extract underscore numbers, extract underscore numbers function, and in that function you have pattern, and in after sending a pattern over there you are using re dot find all, that will return all the matched patterns in the list. Okay, so what will happen? All extracted from the text. Okay, we have run this. Now let's see. You have this extract underscore numbers. You have created extract underscore number. Now we are using extract underscore numbers. You have Orders 567 was placed on 12th May 2024 with amount 8999. We have this example. Now let's run this and let's find all that matches the pattern. So we have 567, 12, 2024 and 8999 that has matched into our pattern. Now let's see what we can do here using RA. So see here, we can see that we have find all the words starting with a capital letter. So you have defined a new function. We have defined a new function over here. Find underscore capital underscore word. And then you have given a sentence pattern over here. The pattern is written over here. So you can also see the description, right? So slash B is indicating towards word boundary. A to Z, capital A to capital Z is indicating towards first letter must be capital, and then you have a lowercase a and lowercase c, uppercase A and uppercase Z, and to that you have a hashtag. So what it indicates? It indicates rest can be small or capital letters. So here is the pattern written over here. Pattern equals to R slash P, capital A to capital Z, small a to small, you have hashtag, and then the pattern is written slash P, words equals to, we have written, which is written over here, and we have the sentence that we have given here as an argument. So let's run this. Okay. And now let's test the case. Okay. So we have find capital underscore find underscore capital underscore words. Python is fun and learning. Regex is useful. Okay. We have this test. See that we have words starting with the capital letters. Those are Python, fun, learning, regex, and useful. Basically, what it is doing, it is considering this particular test case, and in this particular case, it is showing the words which are starting with the capital letters. And the result that we got was Python, fun, learning, regex, and useful. Okay, now let's move to next example that we have. We have this replaced with multiple spaces with a single space. We can see here we have defined a function over here, define clean underscore spaces. Spaces, text. So one or more spaces. Pattern equals to read. The pattern is written over here. In every case, we are defining the pattern as well. So previously we used find all, right? Previously we used find all, and now this time we are using re.sub. Now what this re.sub will do is it will replace the matched text with another string. Basically, we are going to replace string here. So clean equals to re.sub pattern, and then you given a space also here, and then the text. Print before text and print after text. Now let's run this. We have run it successfully. Now we have a test case, clean underscore space, and then you have written, this is a sentence with irregular spaces. This is a sentence with irregular spaces. Now let me just put this into test. Now let's see what it gives. So see here, before it is giving, this is a sentence with irregular spaces. and after it is giving this is sentence with irregular spaces, right? And now let's see another example. Split text by comma or semicolon. So see here, we have defined a function over here, def split underscore text, and we have text in our text as an argument. Appears pattern, right? The pattern is given over here. So re dot split breaks the string wherever the pattern matches. And then you have parts. Parts equals to re dot split. Split split means basically a single part is being then divided into two. That is the simple meaning of split. And then you have pattern and comma text. Now you can see we have the next line as print split parts and then the parts that we have. Now let's run this, and now let's see the test case, right? What do we have in our test case? We have apple, comma mango, then we have semicolon, and then we have banana, semicolon. Then we have grapes, then we have comma, and then we have orange. So let me just run this. And now we can see the split parts have been appeared in the console. The split parts are apple, mango, banana, grapes, and orange. So these are the split parts that we got after running that. Okay. Now, let's see another example. Check if the string contains only digits. Check if the string contains only the digits. Now, let's check this also. So, here we are basically again creating a function. Define def is underscore only underscore digits text, right? And then we have the pattern written over here, right? We are assigning a variable known as pattern, and we are giving the pattern over here. And then if re match pattern comma text, and then if match print contains only digit, and if doesn't match print contains non-digit characters. That is what we want to tell here. Now you see you have text cases is only digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is only digits 1, 2, 4, 5. So let's first run this. And now let's run this as well. The text case, right? So it has given me contains only digits, contains a non-digit character, right? So let's see the last example that we have, that is extracting all the mail IDs from a paragraph. We have a paragraph, and in from that paragraph we want to extract email IDs. So again we have created a function over here, def extract underscore emails, and then we have text over here, pattern to identify the email addresses with a text, right? Pattern equals to R, that is read, and then we have this particular pattern written over here, and then emails equals to re dot find all patterns comma text, print email found, and then we have email. So let's try this as well. And here is our test case. We have extract emails, contact us at help@company.com or info@website.org for more information. Now let's run this, right? So basically, what we have given a string over here, and what it is doing basically, it is giving me all the emails that we have found here, right? So the two emails that we found here are help@company.com and info@website.org, right? So I hope you like this session, and thank you for your session. Stay tuned.